Good morning, everyone. This is Lance Finucci here at MarineMax in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we're going to take a look at our Sea Ray 190 SPX. This one has an optional wakeboard tower on top, which you can see with the bimini cover. Comes with its own trailer. Has a Mercury 150 on the back that pushes this boat at about 42 to 46 miles per hour on the water. And at 8 feet 6 inches wide and 19 feet 6 inches long, this boat will handle just about anything that you're going to throw at it. Let's climb aboard and take a look. First glance at taking a look at the cockpit of this boat, you can see how everything is laid out exactly where you would want it to be. Before we move up though, what I'd like to show you is a little bit of the transom and the swim platforms back here. As you can see, everything is coated with the SeaDek non-slip material so that you can walk around with complete safety. There's also a stainless steel 4-step reboarding ladder so that when you jump in the water to cool off, you can get on pretty easily. You also have the ski tow bar for any of the ski fans that you take with you, and a large sun deck for anyone that wants to lay out and catch some rays. Under that sun deck, and something that opens very easily, there's more storage than you could possibly want. At the helm, you have a very well apportioned captain's chair with an adjustable bolster so that you can sit up, get over the windshield if you wanted to, or also just sit comfortably in the chair. It's also quite adjustable and swivels 180 degrees. At the helm, you'll see the integrated Simrad GPS fish finder right in the front, along with all of your gauges exactly where you would want them to be. Not to outdo the captain's side, the passenger side has the exact same captain's chair in the front with the adjustable bolster and storage in the front. The windshield on this boat also closes up to keep the wind out of your face when it gets a little bit cooler out in the winters down here in Gulf Shores. Moving to the bow of the boat, there's plenty of comfortable seating for anyone that you take along with you. Both of the cushions are removable, as you can see I've done over here on the port side, and there's plenty of storage underneath. Speaking of storage, you can see the large floor locker that comes right in the center of the boat. In there's a large duffel that actually has the optional covers for the transom and the bow of the boat to cover it up and protect it from the weather. When you're ready for the perfect boat for cruising the intercoastal waterways of Gulf Shores and Orange Beach, Alabama, come on down to MarineMax, take a look at the Sea Ray 190 SPX. My name is Lance Finucci, and we'll see you soon.